Hey, Dan Passarelli here, and it was a bit of a down day today. But, as they say, what goes up must come down, and that is very true for stocks like NVDA. So, NVDA had earnings come out after the close yesterday and the conference call, and everything seemed sunshine and rainbows and unicorns. But guess what? After gapping up above $500 to start the day, it pulled back, and we're going to be just about unchanged on the day on this chip giant. This also rings true for SPY. We've got an outside day. It tried to get above that 50-day moving average and just couldn't do it. So that technical level looks like it's going to hold for a bit now. So this has been rough on the market in general and a few individual stocks. But you know what it's not rough for? It's not rough for covered call traders, because covered call traders take in call premium, and when the stocks go down, that sort of cushions their blow a little bit. Now, on any one given covered call trade, it cushions it a little bit. But for traders who trade covered calls as a system, taking in premium after premium, cycle after cycle, man, it makes a huge difference, and it really helps investors weather the storms when the market falls and make more when the market stays the same and even goes up. Now, we've got a class on covered calls, a training coming up this Saturday, and I want you to attend. You can go to the link that pops up right after this and get registered for this free training this Saturday. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.